Nature does not rush, yet everything is accomplished. Before the carpenter's saw touches the wood, before the artisan's hand guides the chisel, there is a story written in silence. Beneath the soil, far from the light of the sun, trees are engaged in a lifelong struggle, a dance of growth, resistance, and survival. Today, on Hope 2, we move beyond the surface. We are exploring the hidden history of wood, a journey into the natural geometry that defines the beauty of the root. The anatomy of resilience. Every twist, every knot, and every void in a root system is a record of time. A tree's root is its anchor and its architect. As a tree matures, it encounters obstacles, rocks, changing water tables, and the relentless pressure of the earth. The wood bends, curls, and knots itself around these challenges, creating complex, abstract shapes that no human designer could replicate. These aren't just remnants, they are the physical manifestation of patience. The geometry of chaos. Mathematics is often thought of as something sterile, something created on a whiteboard. But look closer at these wood structures. You see the Fibonacci sequence in the way the fibers spiral. You see fractals in the way the primary roots branch into smaller capillaries. What appears to be chaotic in the wild is actually a perfectly calculated geometric system designed for structural integrity. When we repurpose these roots into furniture, we aren't just making a table. We are honoring the structural genius of the natural world. Chapter 3, The Art of the Reveal. The process of revealing this beauty is an act of discovery. When an artisan selects a root, they are looking for the hidden soul within. It begins with clearing away the debris, the soil and the decay, to uncover the hardwood core. This is where the true character of the wood emerges. The sanding process, the application of oils, the refining of edges. These steps aren't about changing the wood. They are about revealing what has been there for decades, waiting to be seen. Wood as a living legacy. In our fast-paced world, we often surround ourselves with materials that are mass-produced and ephemeral. But a piece of root furniture is different. It is a slow object. It carries the history of the forest floor, the cycle of the seasons, and the quiet dignity of a tree that stood for a lifetime. Placing such a piece in a home brings in a grounding energy, a bridge between the wild outdoors and our curated living spaces. Closing reflections. As we conclude this photographic journey, consider the roots in your own life. Like the trees, we are shaped by the obstacles we overcome and the pressure we endure. We hope this exploration of natural geometry has inspired you to see the potential in the rough patches of life. Thank you for walking through this history of wood with us here on Hope 2. Keep creating, keep observing, and keep finding the beauty in the hidden places.